Are elderly drivers higher-risk drivers? Throughout the years, horror stories about elderly drivers have been heard across the nation. The old man who hit the accelerator when intending to hit the brake and crashes into the side of a building, elderly drivers misjudging distance between themselves and other vehicles. In response to statistics regarding drivers over the age of 65, many states have passed laws in regards to when and how the elderly can renew their driver's licenses. In Alaska, driver's licenses renew every 5 years, but the option to renew by mail is not available to those aged 69 or older. The District of Columbia is among some of the strictest renewal regulations. For those aged 69 or younger, licenses may be renewed every 5 years. However, for those aged 70 or older renewing their driver's license, they must submit to a vision exam as well as a reaction test. Those in the age group must also provide a physician's statement attesting to the person's physical and mental competency. Pennsylvania is another state to heavily regulate elderly drivers by requiring a more frequent renewal period of every 2 years, versus the state standard of every 4 years. Pennsylvania also requires some to submit to both a vision and physical exam before they are able to renew their driving privileges. In 2003, an 86-year-old man plowed through a California market, killing nearly a dozen people and injuring an estimated 65 more. In response, the state of California has enacted tougher laws for the elderly with driver's licenses. At age 70, residents will no longer be able to renew their licenses over the Internet or by mail. The state also requires an in-person vision screening, a written test. And for those who have been indicated as impaired drivers either by law enforcement, family members, or physicians. There has been much debate as to whether or not specific laws targeting the restriction of driver's license renewal